You grew up with a lot of beliefs about money, that money does not grow on trees and earning money is very difficult. Money is not everything. So many times people say to you that you cannot afford this or that. Remember, if the words I cannot afford it have passed your lips, your power to change that is now. Change it with I can afford that, I can buy that. Say it over and over. Become like a parrot for the next 30 days. Make it your intention that you are going to look at everything you like and say to yourself, I can afford that, I can buy that. As you see your dream car, say I can afford that. As you see clothes you love, as you think about a great vacation, say I can afford that. As you do this, you will begin to shift yourself and you will begin to feel better about money. You will begin to convince yourself that you can afford those things. And as you do, the pictures of your life will change definitely.